is a relatively new notion that I found. It's a tabletop seam ripper, because sometimes you want to rip a seam and have both hands free, and this is the ticket. But sometimes you have a very long seam that you want to rip out, and so I'm going to show you how to use this, how much easier it is than just taking little, step-by-step seams. So it's called a tabletop seam ripper. And I'm going to move this out of the way so that I can get this set up. I've sewn a seam already. And the seam ripper itself, see, just is on this little stand, and it has a little gripper thing at the bottom, suction. And it does come with a little cover also. And once you take the cover off, it'll fit right back here underneath that lever, so that makes it really nice, because I'm always losing things. I don't know about y'all. So anyway, you just set it down and push the lever down, and see, it suctions right down to the table. It's so cool. And then you just take your seam and run it right into the seam ripper, and you just can go pop, 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 pop all the way down. It's like amazing. Was that the most clever thing you've ever seen? So you can see, you can rip seams out very, very quickly with this. And boom, you're done. You're going to love it.